Ayun, may uwak oh. You see that? Nag-drone mapping ulit kami dito sa bangka-bangka. Makukuha na namin certification, yun na lang hinihintay namin. Sana makuha na namin. Wind speed, okay. Yun! Caught on video.
Wow, thank you.
Kami ni Mali on SD card inserted. Okay, wala pa. So go fly,
Cancel. Format
the
okay.
SD card. Tama.
SD card formatted. Okay, and then here AFC image size 3x2. Okay. Sunny.
Today is sunny.
Okay.
Ratio 3x2.
Okay.
Yun! That's the important one.
Okay. Take initial photos just to be sure. Okay.
SD card inserted.
Go to drone depth.
Drone deploy.
And then choose FADC. Mission C. Going 10 minutes. Okay. 90 advanced.
85.
Okay. Pre-flight checklist.
Good to go.
Okay. Mission C.
Fly.
Flying. Oh God.
Konti lang.
Ayun, at
Mas
least okay siya
Oo,
doon.
mas okay na yun.
Nakahinga ng maluwag.
So yan, very well irrigated na. Nakapag-land prep na sila. Today is June. So 3 to 4 months yan, mag-drone yan. And very well irrigated. Ako, yan na naman yung uwak. Pag lumalapit, territorial kasi yan eh. Look at that. Okay. Yes, meron po sa right. Sa right po. Sa left. Left po. So nagre-renew ako ng driver's license. 400 pesos medical, first medical. Then proceed na sa LTO. Naka-fill up na kami kasi meron na kami sarili. Kaya ayan, katatapos ng medical. Medical is 400. Pinaka-actual registration is 653. So almost 1,050 plus. Renewal. Pero hindi na tayo makukuha din yung card. Ako makatawid. So yun, yung medical, meron ng hearing test, meron ng visual test, pati BP, and ano pa nga ba, may hearing test tsaka visual test. So yun, tapos na ako doon. Getting the license, I'll get it tomorrow because it's only a short ride from LTO Pila to my place, so that's why I already decided to separate from the group. So it will cost around 650 for the license alone, and the medical is 400 pesos, a total of 1,053 pesos. And they have a new system now. It's fully air conditioned. I didn't know that the LTO office in Pila is now air conditioned. Yeah, it will take a day or half day depending on the population that you can get the license. So you just get your license at the LTO yearly, and it's again, now it's a good thing it's 5 years. So 5 years na yung validity of the driver's license. Okay, So that's it. Subscribe to my channel. Finish. Already finished. Thank God. Time to go home. Thank you. Bye-bye. So it's finally here. My driver's license. Now, here it is. Valid up to 5 years. Matagal-tagal. And I noticed some changes. It's already black and white. And we can't do anything about that. So it's black and white. And you see there's also a photo at the back with the good QR code or bar scanner code and complete details in case of emergency. This is now much of a better deal of ID. The official receipt right here. And this is the first picture that was taken, and this was the original card issued before, and the last, so that's why there's another. So I don't know, it might be a validation if you have, if they cannot issue this ID, and this will be a temporary driver's license. So I think that's the reason why there's already two different photo, but this should be before as one single system. So I don't know what changes. Great. I got my permit at the institute. Another NTAS. That's it. So hope you have a good time with your LTO experience. Is it a good time or not? Well, for us it took a half day, but others will be another case. It can be a whole day. So it still depends on the situation. Okay, so I hope that you have a good LTO experience. For me, it's okay. Hopefully yours is okay too. See you. Bye-bye. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the upper left and on the lower right. Peace.